everyone, welcome back. I'm here today with my daughter Nolan, and we are going to be doing a hairstyle that's really great for second or third day hair. It's just a boho braid style. Apparently it's very funny. I started out with just curling her hair in loose curls just to kind of give it a little bit of softness to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take two sections in the front, we're going to braid them and knot them in the back. So you can start with this side. It doesn't need to be in a special sectioning, but just a piece from about the ear up to the part. You looking at the camera? Can you say hi to everybody? How about hi to Ryan or your friends?
Hi, Ryan.
Okay, then when you have your braid about halfway down, you're going to pull it out and you're going to use your pancake braiding technique, which if you haven't seen that, it's in my first video if you want to take a look and check it out. So you're going to pull all of this out because we want it to have a really casual look to it. You like fun braids? Mm-hmm.
I want this every day.
Every day. Whoa. Well, that is a special hairdo to want it every day. And I kind of tie it off just for now so that it holds until we knot it. And then you're going to have that side done. And then you're going to flip to the other side and start there. Once again, not any special sectioning, just about the same size as the other side. You can talk.
What was my mom is going to say? She said, this is a specialist braid.
What?
This is a specialist braid.
The specialist braid.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you love about getting braids and curls in your hair? Okay, once again, when you have your braid about halfway done, you're going to start pancaking the other side. You playing with it? You want to be a hairstylist someday? She loves learning all of the things that I teach her about hair, hairstyles, brushing, all of that. So maybe one day. We'll see. This is real cute on you, Nolan. Okay, so actually instead of tying this one off, we're just going to take our other one and then we pull them together. I'm going to show you. Okay, turn your head this way. And we're going to take it in the middle and we're going to knot it off with a regular tie. And then when you have it crisscrossed, you're going to take a bobby pin or two and kind of tuck them secretly in there to hold it together. And then we can take out our hair tie we had in the first one. Go. We have it knotted. I know. It's her fit. Wait, keep over there. And then if you want to, you can kind of pull some of this out to kind of give a little bit of extra volume. And then we're all done. Can you turn? Can you turn? That's it. We are all done. I hope you learned something new today.